Umkhonto. We
Yeah,
gonna vote.
viva.
We gonna vote. Viva. Umkhonto.
Thank you. Shut up, everybody. Shut up. 136. This your councillor, Cyril Kotukani Makwekwe. 2021, 2022, I'm the councillor. On my head, municipality. On the head of the municipality, president. This year, I promise to build a house for everybody.
Yeah.
I build a house and I build a tavern.
Yeah.
This year, all the children are allowed, if 12 years, to go to the tavern.
Yeah.
This year, all the suman, the single one, I'm gonna provide with girlfriend.
Yeah.
Viva Umkhonto Funeral Municipality Bala. This year, I'm gonna be the president until 2022. Everybody, not wear a condom.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Amalungelo.